Hi everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm doing another dip, but I'm going to use this tumbler instead. So today's going to be more of an experiment since I've never done one before. And I'm going to try to make it Valentine's Day themed. So here are my colors that I got. There's like a pink glitter, kind of a mauve, burgundy-ish color. And I got all of these on sale today at Target for like $1.30 each. So if you're looking for nail polish, Target's got some good stuff. I'm going to try to incorporate these glitters, and then I have my Mod Podge sealant, my gloves. I'm going to try to use these paint pens. I haven't used them. Well, I used them to make my mermaid mug in my Christmas 5 DIY video. If you want to see that, I will link it somewhere above here. But I'm not sure how it'll work on this stainless steel tumbler. So that's going to be kind of an experiment. I'm going to try to paint the letters on with that through my stencil. So let's see how it goes. Also, I'm outside again because nail polish is stinky and I don't want the baby smelling nail polish. So if you hear cars, that's why. First thing I'm going to do is sprinkle in the glitter. My theory is that if I put the glitter down first, then it will adhere to the nail polish and then stick onto the tumbler. Okay, so I open the stinky glitters. And now, they're not stinky, it's difficult to open. Going to put glitter first, like I said initially. So that's just a white glitter. This is a silver glitter. And let's do this hot pink glitter. A little purple, just to not have it be all hot pink. And I'm gonna mix them up a little bit so they're not all grouped together. Okay, now I'm gonna use this Sinful colors. The shade name is Aubergine. I'm gonna do this. These are new, so this shade is Raisin the Roof. So cute. Raisin the Roof. This shade is Rose Dust. It's like a mauvey, almost like lavender. Not really pink. Oops. Just got nail polish on the floor. Should I put pink? Nah, I don't want to put pink. I'm gonna put more pink glitter on top. I got my tumbler. I just taped off the top and the bottom just so that easy cleanup later. And here we go. I'm going to dip it straight down. Ooh, that looks pretty actually. Couldn't make it all the way to the top. I don't have enough water. Oh, that's really pretty. Well, at the top, I could just write like love and things like that around it. Okay, I think my glitter tactic worked. Can't really see it. Right. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to try to do the words on the top rim. I actually changed my mind, and sorry for the changed camera angle. So I decided that I'm actually going to try to re-dip it to cover this portion of the mug. And what I did was I taped off the top opening, and the bottom is still obviously taped off. So I'm gonna re-dip it, but it took me a couple seconds to make that decision. So the film already built up on the top of the water. So I just peeled it off, and I have my glitter that I initially poured in there. So I'm gonna re-dip the same colors and then dip the top part so I can get the entire mug covered with this really pretty pattern. So here we go. And it might end up looking a little different than the first layer because obviously I'm doing it with two different drops, and also I did it backwards order, but I think it'll be okay because they'll be overlapping, so they'll kind of tie into each other. I'm just gonna put a little more glitter on here. And this glitter I got at Michael's for, I think it was like $8.99 for 12, so it's pretty inexpensive. I'm gonna take my mug here, or not my mug, my tumbler, and just make that a straight line. I'm gonna dip it in. Shake it around, get rid of the excess nail polish. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Okay, now how is this gonna dry? Because now there's paint on both ends. I should have thought of that before I did this. Maybe I'll take the bottom off since, oh yeah, the bottom's dry. Let me peel off the bottom side. So this is the bottom of the tumbler. I put it on top of a glove, if you could see it right here. So it doesn't get the cement all dirty. And I'm going to peel off the pieces. I put a lot of tape on here, so if I'm having difficulties, that's why. Okay, one layer removed. Look at that, so clean. So I have to spend half an hour taking the nail polish off the bottom like I did last time. Okay, so now the bottom is safe for it to dry, for it to sit there. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry like that. Yes. Yes, sir, yes, sir. I decided I'm gonna peel off the top part because I don't want it to dry and then accidentally take off the design. That looks really good. So I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. I think I might put some glitter Mod Podge on it just so it's extra shiny, and then spray it with the acrylic sealant so then it will stay together. Oh, I forgot, I was gonna attempt to write love on this tumbler, so that's what I'm gonna try to do right now. I have the stencil. This is actually very difficult to do with the camera. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to put the camera somewhere else and try this, and then I'll show you the results. Here's how the lettering turned out. I used the stencil. It's definitely difficult to hold this and use a stencil, so I recommend putting the tumbler down somewhere and then using the stencil. And the paint pens worked really well, but I also noticed that if you use it like a paintbrush, like with strokes, instead of using it like a regular pen, the ink comes out more evenly and faster. So I would recommend doing it that way. I think that looks really cute. I'm kind of tempted to write love like all around here, but then also I know I have like a too much jean, so I don't want to make it look like tacky. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and do glitter Mod Podge on the rest because it is glittery, but I want more glitter. So I'm going to use glitter Mod Podge, and then I'm going to use the Mod Podge Super Shine acrylic spray to seal everything in. So here we go. It's so glittery. Here it is all done. Look at all the sparkles. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Can't wait to do another one. Like and subscribe, and see you later. Bye.